We're back. You're still with the Four Decade Duo with me, June and John Mark. And at this point of time, we would like to dedicate a certain piece. Siyempre, certain. Sa isang tao na nagulat kami kasi narinig namin sinisigaw doon yung pangalan namin sa radio, sa radyo man, sa FM man. Dong, salamat sa imo sa pagsigaw mo sa aming name, sa aming duo. Sabi mo, the Four Decade Duo. Ayan. And you deserve to be pasalamatan. At sabi nila, amom kanu tagilukano, lakay, iso nga rin nga sunatagad para kanyam. At pakidedicate na rin sa lahat ng mga lalaki sa buong mundo na medyo natatakot ipakita ang tunay nilang nararamdaman. Mga lalaking duwag, sabihin ang kanilang emotions. Kaya ako naman gustong ialay sa iyo to, Papa Jack, dahil napakaganda ng melody. Bagay na bagay sa mga tumatawag sa iyo. So, parang ganon. Okay, so eto na po, isang awitin mula kay Kenny Rankin. John Mark, let's go.
So long all my life, couldn't give my heart to anyone, hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. Days move into years, I look for warmth between the tears. You never ever found me, never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp a straws. They surely broke all the time. So I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried, loving heart, in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart. Didn't know how to tell you, didn't know where to start. Oh, I hid inside and I cried, loving heart, in a sensitive man. I know you'll understand. I love you.
Once again, isang awit po para kay Papa Jack. Ayan, keep on listening to Papa Jack sa lahat ng mga love radios all over the Philippines.